together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you. Oh, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Yeah, see those.
Hi friends, today in science.
Who were you trying to be like?
Me, myself, and I. This is what I'm like not around you. We just found out our teacher impregnated his wife, so had sex. And we're making body scrubs. Hey guys, you can't really. It's okay. Oh my god, dramatic. Look, you're not even in it.
If Alana just spilled
Guys, thumbnail.
a whole bunch.
Yeah, guys, so we're making body scrub in science right now. It's awesome.
This is
It's
hard.
good and fresh.
I'm just gonna do it. Precise. I'm adding a bit more because I'm like,
Yeah, same. Why not?
why not?
Can we make the flavour coffee?
Oh yeah. Can we do that though?
Yeah, why not?
Is there
We're getting this cute thing, and we're getting a tablespoon of Theta. Yeah.
How much do I need?
Hey,
I know, I just guessed.
Oh, I don't like free balling shit.
okay, that looks like enough.
My new word, so like I tend to have like little phrases that I say like all the time. So like it used to be like I can't even deal, like it was like I don't know, but now it's grotty. So like if you hear me say grotty, I'm so sorry. I just can't stop myself from saying it. Like so grot. I say grot as well. It's kind of grotty. It looks so grotty. But now it's grotty.
But if it's grotty, just put more like.
I need less. Yeah. Oh, let's add more salt.
Oh, look, mine's good. No, that's good.
Consistency it's supposed to be.
Oh, do you want to be on YouTube?
No.
I think I accidentally just added too much salt and now it's grotty. Like a bit more worse.
No, you want to like stick together.
Yeah, mine's not sticking together anymore.
Same, mine is.
Oh, look. What is it? Oh, she's about to say we'll fake it till we make it, but it's not even doing that.
What did you get for your
Kris Kringle?
I can really hear it.
I
I got mine yesterday, guys. That was yesterday's vlog. If you didn't watch that, but you should have.
So I had to do Kris Kringle for my group, which isn't her group, but
She's popular.
No, I'm not. I don't like it when you say this. I'm definitely not. Anyways, I had a really hard Kris Kringle because I feel like she's very like she gets a lot of rich stuff, and that's quite hard when you're on a budget of $20.
No,
so
she's like branded. She likes brand.
it was kind of hard, but I just ended up going to Victoria's Secret the other day and picked up. They had like this 5 for $25 deal, and it was like face masks and it had some like scrubs and shit. So I got like 5 for $25, and it's cute. And then yeah, whatever. It's Victoria's Secret. I swear is like kind of the easy way
Wait,
out.
you went to Chadston?
No, I went to the city. I haven't been to the Chadston store yet. I'm like, I want to.
Wait,
Hey sisters! I don't really
excuse
care.
me, don't be on the one blonde.
Such a good scrub, guys. It's delicious. Hey guys, how are you today? Yeah. Ah! Oh! Okay. It's really hard to mix.
Yesterday I went to some carols and it was like low key. Did you go to the Chelsea one?
Yeah.
Were you there? Get out! I did not see you because I was there for 5 minutes and like literally there.
So great.
So I went.
Just go there to see friends.
Yeah, and the food line was so like long. So we went down.
On a stick.
We went down to Chelsea. Anyways, after going down to Chelsea, we got a HSP and it was $8.50. Sorry, $8.50 for a HSP. Sorry, $18.50. $18.50 for a HSP. Anyways, I shared it with my friend. I can see you in the background, by the way.
I'm gonna make like a tree and leave.
I shared it with my friend, but then we went to the beach afterwards, and my other friend and I, we tried to do the dirty dancing like with my friend Dylan, and we did like the dirty dancing like lift thing. What are you talking about? What did she read?
You know, you got me my most vlogmas views, so good job. Yeah. Like, no, for vlogmas.
For VLOGMAS. Okay. Well, installment part 2, I'm like,
So it's gonna be multiple. We're gonna do more chit chat.
yeah, okay, we'll do chit chat and science.
But like,
Let's, hopefully I
oh my
won't.
god, that's the assistant principal. Someone take my
Take it
phone.
down, take it down. I can't. Yeah.
Sea salt, yes.
Yeah, that's sea salt.
Yes.
And then there's 5 drops. I did pink grapefruit.
Okay. Has it,
Oh,
has
this
it
feels
smell?
so weird.
Can I smell?
It's like it works. What if we got in trouble from that? Oh my god. So this is grot. Okay,
The assistant principal just came in.
and she was like asking us about it. Oh.
What? I was still filming.
So I just did my. And
No, like literally, she came in and I was like, oh my god, and we're like, oh no, I'm just filming it so I can remember it. Nearly died then.
why do I look? I had a lamp on my bedside table, and every side. It wasn't even connected to my bed in any ways, only by the floor. So like every time I would move on my bed, I just hear this shaking sound. So I moved it because I couldn't deal with it anymore. Like if I was like switching sides, it was just horrible. It made such weird noises. What? It's like some of you are so self-obsessed. I don't care. I'm not.
No, but who cares if you're
I have
self-obsessed?
positive body image.
Yeah, she likes somebody she's happy in it, okay? So you can go like sign off.
I need a boyfriend.
You literally don't.
I do.
At least you've got me twice.
Everyone's coming.
She's like, oh my god, I've been with like 5,000
Well,
guys. I need a boyfriend.
My friend, she's
Single Pringle over here done nothing. Nothing. I don't mean nothing, I haven't even had my first kiss. So,
I haven't hooked up with someone since.
2 weeks ago.
I think it was 2 weeks ago, to be honest. Might have been last week. I'm not sure. Wait, what? Like, wait.
Sorry. I went to my primary school.
Really? Oh my god. Was he good? Was he good looking? Who were like?
Yeah, but it was really small.
Who were like the hottest in your primary school?
Like everyone you know.
So name.
Yeah, like all of them. Like all of them. Yeah, there's like.
Oh my god, he's been talking to Bear.
Talking about. No. He's like really hot.
Is he?
Yeah,
I'll tell her
kinda.
that. I'll tell her that. Mine's a bit too watery.
Put more salt in it.
Is that?
It is very.
What about mine?
Livs is like mine's pretty watery. Where's the
Well,
salt?
not watery because you didn't put any water in it. It's oil. It's like a clump of.
What about mine?
Can I go put more salt in it?
Because like it was really wet and then I kept putting heaps of salt in and now it's just...
Can I please go put more salt
Can you
in?
check mine?
Yours looks alright. As long as you can still hear. No. Like that.
Wait, stop. Maybe yours is good
Maybe
somewhere.
mine is good.
Yeah.
It made my skin look so much smoother.
It'll just be more of a
Oh,
an oil-based thing.
yeah.
Exfoliate.
Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. I will see you on the next one.
Bert, you're losing video like viewers.